Okay. This is the day we have been looking for. Another sold by Dhesi Real Estate, and you can read it. 70,000 over asking for our clients. Let's go inside and hear their feedback for listing with Dhesi Real Estate. Here we are with Gill family, and we want to share their experience on selling their property 70,000 above asking price. So Mr. Gill, so how you are feeling about your experience with listing this property and giving us an opportunity to work with you?
Actually very nice, and then based on the selling price, the price that I got, I'm even more happier. I think from day one you knew like what the market value was, you knew where the market is. You presented the house well, like you helped us with staging and also with marketing it well. And I think we got the offer within like 3 days, so which was very nice. So we are very happy.
Okay, so you're excited about that, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So they say selling or buying a property is the second most stressful thing next to marriage, right? So was it that much stressful? Like how we helped you in calming you down, in getting a best offer for you?
I think your transparency was number one. Like I said before, like you were very clear with how things would be, and then you always kept us in loop. You were very honest with the feedback. You honestly gave us suggestions, and we were able to sell it in like 3 days. So yeah, it was very nice. Like it could have been more stressful, but I think working with you was very nice.
Okay, that's good, right? So Papiji, what was your experience overall? I know, right? I from my side, I'm really thankful for keeping this property, as nice as a dream home for our buyers, right? So which got us really good value. So what do you want to say about your overall experience?
Well, I think our overall experience is more than 100%. We are fully satisfied and we are overwhelmed with your services. And I would recommend Mandeep Dhesi to anyone who wants to buy a new house, who want to sell the property. He is the man of his words, and we are happy that we went with Mr. Dhesi. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, that's so nice of Gill family giving us an opportunity to list their property and bring the greatest value to the home. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank
Right?
Thank you.
you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah,